Welcome to a new video of Municipal Finance for Everyone. Today is July 27th, 2025. This is what we are going to cover in this video. The most recent composite tax-exempt AAA muni-curve. The most recent composite tax-equivalent AAA muni-curve. How the muni-curve has changed year to date. Let's go over the most recent composite tax-exempt muni AAA curve. A tax-equivalent yield represents the pre-tax yield you would need to receive on a taxable security, like a U.S. Treasury bond, in order to achieve its corresponding tax-exempt after-tax yield. For example, the one-year tax-exempt yield is 2.43%, corresponding to a 4.1% tax-equivalent yield for investors in the top tax bracket, currently at 40.8%. The two-year tax-equivalent yield is 4.08%. The 5-year tax-equivalent yield is 4.43%. The 10-year tax-equivalent yield is 5.56%. The 20-year tax-equivalent yield is 7.14%. The 30-year composite tax-equivalent yield is 7.63%. Let's now go over the most recent composite tax-equivalent muni AAA curve. The following composite tax-exempt yield curve is based off the most recent ICE and TradeWeb yield curves that are available on the EMA MSRB website as of Friday, July 25th, 2025. Tax-exempt means the yields displayed on the graph are not going to be taxed at the federal level. In other words, these are after-tax yields. The one-year composite yield is 2.43%. The two-year composite tax-equivalent yield is 2.42%. The two-year yield is 2.45%. The 5-year yield is 2.62%. The 10-year yield is 3.29%. The 20-year yield is 4.23%. The 30-year yield is 4.52%.